Hello students, welcome back to EduAid. I am Gautam Das. I am teaching you chemistry for class 12, and in chemistry we have so far discussed in the previous few sessions about solid states. In those sessions we have given about the structural features of solid states. Solid or structure বিষয়ে তোমাক already বহুতখিনি কথা কোৱা হৈ গৈছে আগৰ ক্লাছ বিলাকত. Now we will proceed for the next part of solid state. Next part of solid state ত আহিল তোমাৰ imperfection of solid. Imperfection of solid. বুজি পাইছানে? অসমীয়াত ক'লে solidৰ ত্ৰুটি বা খুঁত. Solidৰ ত্ৰুটি বা খুঁত. Now, why we need to discuss about the imperfection of solid? Basically, in solid, in previous session, we have seen that the constituent particles are arranged in a definite order throughout the crystal. সমস্ত crystalটোত গঠনাত্মক কণিকাবিলাক এক নিৰ্দিষ্ট আকাৰত সজোৱা থাকে নহয় জানো? Now, when these particles are arranged, this is a large number of particles arranged in a definite order throughout the crystal, then we may find some defect in some of the places. কিছুমান জায়গাত আমি তাৰ কিছুমান ডিফেক্ট পাব পাৰো ঠিক আছে যেনে সেই ডিফেক্ট বিলাকক আমি কওঁ ক্রিস্টাল ডিফেক্ট তাক অসমীয়াত ক'লে ক্রিস্টালৰ ত্ৰুটি call it as crystal defect. Crystal defect. Now crystal defect আমি বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ ক্রিস্টাল ডিফেক্টৰ বিষয়ে অধ্যয়ন কৰিব লাগিব প্ৰথমে আমি চাওঁ ক্রিস্টাল ডিফেক্ট প্ৰধানকৈ কি ভাগত ভাগ কৰা হয় প্ৰথমকৈ crystal defect দুটা ভাগত ভাগ কৰা হয়. It is called as point defect and other is called as line defect. Point defect and line defect. In point defect অসমীয়াত ক'লে ইয়াক বিন্দু ত্ৰুটি আৰু ইয়াক কয় ৰেখা ত্ৰুটি. Now we are not going to discuss much about line defect. Mostly our discussion will be confined to point defect. Now point defect are mainly three types. These are stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric defect. Next is impurity defect. And other is non-stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric defect. ঠিক আছে নে? Other is non-stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric ত্ৰুটি, অশুদ্ধি ত্ৰুটি আৰু non-stoichiometric ত্ৰুটি অসমীয়াত ক'লে ঠিক আছে. Now we will go to the next point. What are the sub classification of this type? There is further classification of stoichiometric defect. These are found in two types of crystal. One is non-ionic crystal, and some stoichiometric defect are found in ionic crystal, non-ionic crystal and ionic crystal. There will be no sub-classification for impurities defect. Now, non-ionic crystal and non-stoichiometric defect are also divided into two parts. One is called as metal excess defect, and metal deficiency defect. Now remember one point, these non-ionic crystal and ionic crystals are not basically a defect. Now defect found in stoichiometric defect are separated as some of the stoichiometric defect are found in non-ionic crystal and some of the stoichiometric defect are found in ionic crystal. That is why that has been divided into two parts. The stoichiometric defect found in non-ionic crystals are two types, that is vacancy defect অসমীয়াত ক'লে অনধিকাৰ ত্ৰুটি vacancy defect খালি থাকে, and other is interstitial defect বুজি পালানে? vacancy defect, other is the interstitial defect. And there is sub classification for ionic crystal. There are two types. One is called as Frankel defect. অসমীয়াত ক'লে Frankel defect, Frankelৰ ত্ৰুটি বুলিয়ে কয়. Other is Schottky defect. So এইখিনি হল তোমাৰ different type of crystal defect found in solid. First to point defect, line defect. Point defect আকৌ তিনটা ভাগ, stoichiometric defect, impurity defect, non-stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric defect found in solids are based on non-ionic crystal and ionic crystal. That means stoichiometric defect found in solids may be two types. One type of defect is found in non-ionic crystal and other type of defect is found in ionic crystal. And those are vacancy defect in non-ionic and interstitial defect in non-ionic, and in ionic crystal it is Frankel defect and Schottky defect. In the same way, there will be no classification for impurity defect and their classification for non-stoichiometric defect as metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. এখানে বুঝি পালানে? এতিয়া আমি will come one by one each type of defect. First of all, we'll discuss about the first type of defect, that is called stoichiometric defect. বুঝি পাইছানে? stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometry, এই শব্দটো তুমি স্কুলৰ পৰা আগৰ ফাৰ্স্ট ইয়াৰ পৰা পাই আহিছা. What is stoichiometry? Stoichiometric is in crystal, solid crystal, mostly ionic crystal, you'll find that when the compound is written in a given formula, say sodium chloride is written, then we'll find that these ions are in the ratio 1:1. Is a 1:1 ratio. That ratio is called as stoichiometric ratio. Do you understand? Now, due to some reason, if there is a change in the number of sodium ions, then same number of chloride ion has to be changed. কোনো এটা ক্রিস্টালত যিমান ডিফেক্টে নহওক, যি ধৰণৰ ডিফেক্টে নহওক, in stoichiometric defect we will find that this ratio 1:1 has to be maintained at any cost, isn't it? So that is appeared in two types of crystal, that is called non-ionic crystal and ionic crystal. First of all, we will discuss about non-ionic crystal. In non-ionic crystal, this defect appears as vacancy defect and interstitial defect. Ita ami sao number 1 yar bhitorot sub classification is called vacancy defect. Vacancy defect boli kole ki bujo? Vacancy defect. Thoi lolu ami eta crystal structure ke. Look at this crystal. In this crystal, you'll find that particles are arranged in a definite order. These are all non-ionic atom or molecule, whatever. Look at the arrangement of the crystalline structure. আমি চাই লোৱা এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ crystalline structure. ইয়াতে আমি কি দেখিলো? When these particles are arranged in this order, there must have been a particle here. এই হিসাব মতে ইয়াতে এটা particle থাকিব লাগে, which has remained vacant. Have you seen this? Which has remained vacant. খালি হৈ পৰি আছে. ঠিক আছে? So due to this is called vacancy defect. It is a defective hole. It যেহেতু খালি হৈ গল, the density will decrease. There will be decrease in density. And this type of defect is vacancy defect are mostly found when the crystal is heated. যেতিয়া আমি উষ্ণতা বঢ়াই দিম, তাপ বঢ়াই দিম, তেতিয়াহলে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আমি ডিফেক্ট দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ আয়নিক ক্ৰিষ্টেল. আয়নিক ক্ৰিষ্টেলত আন প্ৰকাৰৰ ডিফেক্ট হ'ল is the second type of defect is interstitial defect. Interstitial defect. এই ধৰণৰ ডিফেক্ট আকৌ এনেকুৱা ধৰণে পাওঁ. সাপোজ এটা ক্ৰিষ্টেলাইন সলিড আছে, ইয়াতে ধৰা পাৰ্টিকল বিলাক এনেকৈ সজাই গলো. These particles, suppose the particles are arranged in this order, in a definite order. Have you seen this? This is a perfect crystal. If somehow we are getting some atom in between, look at this. Look at this particle. Now, according to the arrangement, there should not have been particle here. Yate kono particle thakibo narage. Looking at the crystal, so this is called as interstitial position. This is a interstitial position. So, in this type of interstitial defect, there are some particles found in interstitial phase, interstitial site. Some particles are found in interstitial site. This may be also called as lattice point, interstitial site. So, this type of defect is called interstitial defect. So, in non-ionic crystal, we have seen two types of defect. One is called vacancy defect, other is called interstitial defect. Due to interstitial defect, there is an increase in density. Decrease in density, here it is increase in density. Increase in density. বুজিছানে তো ভেকেন্সি ডিফেক্টত ডেন্সিটি কমে ইন্টাৰষ্টিচিয়েলৰ ডিফেক্টত ডেন্সিটি বাঢ়ে কেতিয়াবা কেতিয়াবা কোৱেশ্চন আহিব পাৰে হোৱাট টাইপ অফ ডিফেক্ট উইল এক্সিবিট ডিক্ৰিজ ইন ডেন্সিটি কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ক্ৰিষ্টেলৰ ক্ৰুটিত ডেন্সিটি বৃদ্ধি হয় বাট কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ক্ৰিষ্টেলৰ ক্ৰুটিত ডেন্সিটি কমি যায় সো দিস টাইপ অফ কোৱেশ্চন ইউ মে হেভ ইন দ্য এক্সামিনেশ্যন